Hi, welcome back with me SaleGenics. This time, I'll give you video about best 5 coffee grinders picks of 2021. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Alright, check this out. Number 1. Baratza Sette 270Y Grind by Weight Conical Burr Grinder.
Introducing the Virtuoso Plus, a refined improvement of the classic and beloved Virtuoso. Grind cafe-quality coffee with hardened steel conical burrs that can be adjusted to 40 different grind settings. The Virtuoso Plus features twin LED lights which shine onto dispensed ground coffee so you can see for yourself how quick and easy it is to grind fresh coffee. The hopper holds 8 ounces of whole bean coffee, and the ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. While the classic Virtuoso used an analog timer, the Virtuoso Plus is controlled digitally. The timer can be programmed to 1/10 of a second for exact results every time. Turn left to subtract by 1/10 of a second, turn right to add by full seconds. The Virtuoso Plus provides precision dosing for repeatable and consistent results.
Number 2. Huanyu Coffee Grinder Electric Flat Burr Grinding Machine Automatic Mill 35-ounce Coffee Bean Grinder. Number 3. KRUPS Grind and Brew Auto Start Maker with Builtin Burr Coffee Grinder. Number 4. Baratza Virtuoso Plus Conical Burr Coffee Grinder with Digital Timer Display.
Baratza Sette 270WY. Dose with incredible precision and ease using innovative grind-by-weight technology powered by Akaya. Simply select from one of 3 customizable presets. Press Start, and the Sette 270WY delivers within 0.2 of a gram. Revolutionary gearbox and burr set design provides fast grinding and minimal waste. Using smart technology, the 270WI will adapt to changes in coffee bean or grind size. A simple pulse mode is available for custom doses. Adjust your grind size with exceptional precision across 30 macro steps of adjustment, combined with a stepless micro adjustment system. Change coffees or clean with ease using the shutoff hopper. The convertible device holder allows for hands-free grinding, either directly into a portafilter, into the included grounds bin, or into most popular brewing devices. This, plus revolutionary grind-by-weight technology, makes the Sette 270WI the first home coffee grinder that grinds by weight directly into a portafilter. Enjoy repeatable, precise weight-based grinding using the Sette 270WI. Baratza. We grind, you brew.
Number 5. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Thanks for watching my video about best 5 coffee grinders picks of 2021. Well, see you in the next videos.